Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. This is the built-in antivirus software in the operating system, but sometimes you might want to turn it off to install other software or fix certain issues. Let's get started. First, press the Windows +I keys to open Settings. Then, on the left-hand menu, select Privacy and Security and click on Windows Security on the right-hand panel. Next, click on the Open Windows Security button to access the Windows Defender dashboard. Here, select Virus and Threat Protection. When the new interface opens, scroll down and click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Now, you'll see options like Real-Time Protection and Cloud Delivered Protection. To disable Windows Defender, simply toggle the Real-Time Protection switch to off. At this point, the system will display a confirmation prompt. Click Yes to proceed. Note, this method only works temporarily. If you restart your computer, Windows Defender will automatically turn back on. To disable Windows Defender permanently on Windows 11, you can use the Group Policy Editor. Please note that these steps should be done carefully, as incorrect changes can affect your system. First, press Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. In the search field, type gpidit.msc and press Enter. When the Group Policy Editor window opens, navigate to the following path: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Microsoft Defender Antivirus. I'll also include this path in the video description below. Here, find the policy named Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus in the right-hand pane. Double-click on it, select Enabled, and then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Do the same with the option named Real-Time Protection. After completing these steps, Windows Defender will be permanently disabled. If you want to re-enable it, simply go back to the same policy and set it to Not Configured. When Windows Defender is permanently disabled, your computer will no longer have automatic protection. Be sure to install another antivirus software to ensure your system's security. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more useful tech tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.